Where are we at today, Mayor?
Well, we are at Woodstock, Illinois. Such a great town. We're here. There's a farmer's market going on, and as you can hear, some live entertainment.
What is this place that we're at here? This park?
This is the historic park in Woodstock.
And was it part of a movie?
Yes, it was. It was part of Groundhog Day with Bill Murray that was supposed to be about Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, and they shot it in Woodstock, Illinois.
There's plaques all around here that commemorate different shots that was in the movie.
In different places that they used, yeah. And looking around the park, I remember this setup from the movie. We'll have to watch that movie again.
Okay, let's go.